Use this word and make a woman fascinated by you. If you struggle to create an interesting and engaging conversation with high-value women, in this video, I'll teach you a word that will make your conversation irresistible. This word has the power to make your interaction much more captivating, especially with high-value women, as it brings depth to conversations. High-value women, characterized by a solid character and good emotional intelligence, naturally sought to develop themselves by investing in their emotional growth and maturity. And to achieve this development, it's essential to delve into internal aspects and issues from the past and present. This word is an invitation to dive into these reflections, creating a deeper and more meaningful connection during the conversation. High-value women are usually deeper and avoid superficialities. This word I'm about to share is extremely effective when conversing with a woman who values this depth. That word is why. Using why not only in this situation but in various others can transform you into a much more interesting conversationalist. The secret lies in understanding the reasons behind what a woman shares. Understanding the causes behind her words, instead of asking random questions, can make all the difference. My friend, by learning the importance of why, he experienced a significant shift in his conversations and female interest in him. So, how does it work? Let's say a woman shares with you that she lives alone with her grandmother. Most men would let this information pass without much attention, but not you because you're different. You understand the nuances of how to win over a high-value woman. Instead of ignoring it, you ask, why? Why do you live alone with your grandmother? Did something happen? Where is the rest of your family? You realize it's not just about the isolated why, but about the story behind what she shared. Want to understand why this approach is so effective? It's efficient because it generates an emotional connection. When a woman starts sharing the reasons that led her to live alone with her grandmother, perhaps revealing that her parents separated and live in different places, you're entering a deeper conversation. Most men don't do this. By exploring the details of her life, you deepen the conversation, and it's in this deepening that emotional connection resides, the fuel for passion. That's what makes a woman fall in love. So, let's use the magic of why. If she shares that she never watches horror movies, instead of just accepting it, you can ask, why? Are you afraid? Can't you sleep at night? It could be for simple reasons, but it could also be for more complex ones, like religious or mindset issues. Perhaps she doesn't like exposing herself to that kind of content, revealing something deeper about her. There are various reasons, and it's in these causes that you truly get to know the woman, delving not into the facts but into the whys. So, if you want to make your conversations irresistible and create a bridge to attract that high-value woman, use the power of why. Thank you very much. If you liked the video, leave your like and share. Strong hug and goodbye.